Most TCG spikes don't change a card's value. They change who's holding it. In Pokémon, One Piece, or Magic, a sharp move can come from a buyout, a rush of attention, or supply briefly disappearing. But the real question isn't whether price jumped. It's whether the market accepted a new level once fresh listings came back. Because even when a card holds after a spike, that doesn't automatically mean it's repricing. Most singles tend to live in one of two structural states: range-bound or repriced. A range-bound card trades inside a familiar price band. Listings cluster near a ceiling the market recognizes. When supply thins out, maybe sealed dries up, maybe near-mint copies become scarce, price pushes higher. But eventually, new inventory shows up. Collectors relist. Vendors rotate stock. The floor gets tested. The ceiling gets tested. Over time, those boundaries don't expand. Ownership changes hands. The reference value doesn't. Repricing looks different. A prior ceiling gets cleared, and instead of snapping back into the old band, new listings begin anchoring above it. Pullbacks don't fully retrace. Sellers hesitate to undercut prior highs. Buyers step in earlier than they used to. Over time, what used to act like resistance starts behaving more like support. That isn't just volatility from a buyout or hype cycle. It's the market accepting a higher reference point for that specific card. And the difference isn't only visual, it's behavioral. In range environments, participants trade familiarity. Flippers sell near the top. Buyers wait near the floor. The card feels active, but structurally it hasn't moved. In repricing environments, positioning changes. Supply gets absorbed at higher levels. Pullbacks compress faster. Listings don't cascade back into the old range as easily. Most cards spend far more time rotating inside established bands than they do migrating to new ones. True structural shifts usually require something durable: sustained collector demand, real supply constraints, or time reducing available copies. If a card isn't expanding its range and holding above it despite fresh listings entering the market, it isn't repricing. It's rotating. And next episode, we'll break down something that often gets mistaken for strength in TCG markets: the difference between listed prices and real liquidity.